Ayan. Ayan.
No pedas?
No, no pedas.
Yeah, yeah.
No pedas. No pedas. Mau bakso?
Yeah. No feet.
Nih,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Egg.
egg.
Yeah.
Egg this?
No.
This is the waterfall that we've just come to. This is the way into the waterfall. So nice.
You wouldn't have thought that
Just walking down to the waterfall. This is really, really steep steps. A bit like the other one.
Well, and he picked the stone up about that big.
So apparently this is the slide. I'm far too scared to do the jumps, like, talk about boring. I'll get in for a picture and a swim, that's about it.
Got it?
In this waterfall you've got, that one is the slide, then a small jump. This one's the medium jump, and where you can see then is the highest jump that there is, which is right down there. You can actually look that high till you see the videos as well.
That's high, you know.
Just come back to where all the bags are and have in a minute. So the drive here was like, I think 2.5 hours, and I put the name up of the waterfall, and then from here we're going spearfishing. Another thing that's going to be scary, but you have to try something what's the saying? You have to try something once in your life. If you don't try it, you'll never know. And then they're going spearfishing. I don't think I'll do that. I'll just do the videoing. And then after that, they're going to barbecue the fish and we're going to eat fresh fish. Mwah. God, that flipping picture place were crazy. So I went down the little slippy bit to get a picture underneath the waterfall. Well, only me slips. It's like a strong little current slaps me into this little rock, and one of the lads that pulled me up, and my phone, I just put it in my pocket after a picture, so fingers crossed I've not broke it. Do not try and get in there for a picture, it's super slippy. Just don't do it. Just stand on the steps and have a picture.
Cek di apa di meja itu, di tempat tiket tadi. Bisa telepon Rista.
Just stop for some food before we go spearfishing and check out the views up here. Whoa. Just got to our room and it's 9 o'clock and we're going fishing in a minute. So I'll just show you. Cute little space. Can you get out of the mirror please? Thank you. Little wardrobe. Bed. Close that door, Gary. It's okay. It's like, what? £10 for the night. This is still wet from the waterfall, and of course this is at Miss Mills, so I'll get ready to go spearfishing. We've just come down to the little beach. It's pitch black and they're getting the stuff ready now to spearfish. I ain't doing it because it's too dark, and careful people live longer.
Ada di rumah masker berapa?
We're getting ready.
Di sini ada 2, ada 1, ini 1.
Oh,
3.
As you can see, it is pitch black and they're going out there. Exciting. And this is the fish that's been caught. Garage is practicing what he's doing with his spear fishing rod, whatever you say.
Over and round.
A lot of effort, but we're in.
Get out.
Gary's in and he's ready. Oh, you look like you're going doing ballet.
Let's see when we watch. Come on.
Now they're making the fire, or getting ready to make the fire for when they catch the fish. And there we go, the fire has started. Now we have a fire, so nice, and they're still getting ready. Bring back some good sized fish, okay?
go guys. Ini filmnya pakai yang mana?
still at this fire, and you can see in the distance every now and again a little light will shine. They're just over there, still out hunting fish. Why I'm not doing a great job of keeping the fire going. The time is now, let's turn this way. It's nearly 11:30 at night and we're still out trying to catch a fish. I'm really tired and my bum's killing me being on that scooter. I'm nearly setting myself on fire. There goes the fish. Fresh fish. Being grilled on the little fire. And there's these two just coming in.
Low visibility.
We have the fish that's been caught. Woohoo! Fish in the oil. Fish that they've brought back. This is the little setup. Lovely! And this is the end result of the fish.
Yeah.
So now we're ready with the rice. Finally just got back, it's 1:50 and we've just got a little blanket and 2 more pillows, and we've got to be up early tomorrow because the lads want to watch UFC for 10 o'clock, so we're getting up at 7. I'm going to be moody tomorrow. Going having a shower and getting into bed. Good night. Good morning, so it's 7. Need to get ready. Oh, I'm tired. But I actually had a good sleep. UFC. Just stopped for a little coffee and I'll just show you the gorgeous views. Currently just in the middle of a road though, so woo! Look at these views. Just stopped for a little coffee. Wow. Amazing. And look at the drop from here.
You don't need coffee?
Wow. Cheers to my little morning coffee. We've just got home back to our little dog. Yay! Thank you to Scott and Ronnie looking after her. Bella! We're just going to take her for a little walk and then relax because my bum and back is completely numb with that drive. Oh, it was so long. Pure pain sitting on a plastic little scooter. See you later.